Right, doing another SOTA, the gun, another local one to me. Not done this one before, so this is all new ground. Muddy ground it is as well. You hear people saying how muddy it is. And I've come up after a few days of rain, so I don't know. So yeah, this yesterday I was meant to, or planned to, get a contact with Ringway Manchester Lewis, who does the Ringway Manchester channel. He was on Castle Ring Cannock Chase, so I went to a local high spot, Downsbank, went up there ready. I was going to do a test for the RH770 whip. Just get this bloody coat on. It was a bit windy, so I couldn't do much testing. My battery went flat, so I got the other battery in, and I can hear on the calling channel, and I couldn't quite make the contact. He heard me, he said, "Oh, was that Dom?" Then he disappeared into the noise. He's only on a 5-watt handheld, as was I. So I think there must have been something in the way. So that was that. So I thought, well, I'll go and activate a SOTA, you know. 2 meters, maybe 70 cents. But anyway, this is a gun, or gun more, as it says on the sign back there. Okay, first test out of the Rhode microphone setup. Got your Lanzi vlogging case and Rhode microphone, so hopefully you can hear me well. And hopefully I'm going to be in shot. Never know if I'm in shot or not. Oh, look at the mud. Anyway, there's a trig point, so I'll be leaning up against the trig point. Hopefully around the trig point is going to be dry. I am slightly early for the activation. It's always good to get there early, you know, so you can set up, assess conditions, etc. But yeah, we shall see. It's going to be might be full and run because it is a bit cloudy, and I've got stuff to do this afternoon. So anyway, let's have a wander up without slipping over and getting muddy. Okay, we're nearly at the summit. Here are some views. Yeah, it is a bit windy. I think that's the cloud over there. You got Dodgell Bank. There. Transmitter mast. And the trig point. I hope this mark's going to be fine over sodding wind. Oh well. But yeah, weather's not going to be looking particularly brilliant the next few days, though. Into next week. So I think the activation is going to get less and less, unfortunately. So anyway, let's see how many calls we can get. I don't want it to be a full run, but it might have to be. Depends how cold I get. Okay, hope you can hear me. Very, very windy. So there's going to be no activation video, well, proper activation video. Summit to summit, Phil on Worcestershire Beacon. Oh yeah, I am stuck behind the trig point here, so hopefully you can hear me. One, including Phil and Worcestershire Beacon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on 2 meters, and 2 on 70 sems. So that's including that 2, 3, 4, about 5 and 6. I've worked on 70 sems. Oh god. So yeah, it's windy as hell up here. The plan was to put the camera on the trig point and do calls, but yeah, very, very exposed. Can I adjust this camera actually? Hang on. There, that should be better. I've been on some windy summits in my time, but bloody hell. Windiest summit was Mamtor, and that was a few years ago. And we should save the picture, but there's a picture of me hanging off the trig point, legs in the air. Right, yeah, recap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on 2 metres. Furthest I think was Telford or Mansfield. I have to look that up. 277, one in Tamworth. I might have worked in before. Another one I'm going to have to look up is QTH. I'm not sure where it was. Cracking signal though. So this is actually a full test of the boom mic, Rhode microphone on the GoPro. Right, so yeah, short video if this ever gets out. Well, yeah, it's a good summit as a gun. You can see the roaches in front of me. Behind me is a Dodgel Bank. You got the cloud, another SOTA summit. Over to my left, Shuttling Slope. Don't know if you can see it, but it's over there anyway. Yes, I think these GoPros you can't really zoom in on. It's a very wide angle lens, but oh well. This might be the last activation this month because the weather's not looking too promising. Might try and do a HEMA. Gotta try and get to 25 by the end of this year. It might be dodgy doing it, probably October, November, December. That's going to be difficult. But it's the Challenger radio, and all those contacts are on an FT60 on the RH770 antenna. I did try and do a review of it yesterday, but wind and rain doesn't make good for a video. So I've not got the rain this time, but I've got the bloody wind. I'm going to go back to the car and warm up and get back home on something warm to eat, because I'm starting to lose my mind here. Oh well, until the next one, take it easy, 7-3, good DX, and I'll see you when the next video is going to be out. Bye for now.